Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is paycheck week and we are going to be going over paycheck number 1 for February of 2023. We're going to go over that. We're going to figure out how much we are going to be spending on bills this week, and also we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So I have this big stack of money that I get out every 2 weeks from the bank, and it just depends. It varies on how much money I want to put in towards my cash envelopes or towards my sinking funds. So it all depends on that. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to count this just to see how much we are stuffing today. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 700. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $712 is how much we are going to be stuffing today. And that is super exciting. I always love stuffing as much as possible because I love watching my cash envelopes grow. So that is the most exciting part. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Thrifty Asian. I do these not every single week, but it is usually every 2 weeks whenever we get paid. I do money challenges. I do what's sold on eBay because I do a little side hustle of reselling stuff. Now you can't really see the 5. Let me just move everything over just so y'all can see it in the frame. That's a little bit. That'll work. All right, so let's go ahead and go over how much we got paid from our paycheck, our normal job, and our side hustle. So paycheck, I budget $2,079 because I am on salary and everything. So that was exactly $2,079. Usually the first paycheck of the month is always a little bit less because it takes out life insurance, I think long-term disabilities and stuff. So that is the reason why it's a little bit smaller. All right, so then I messed this one up. It's not paycheck number 2. And then side hustle, I budgeted $50. Now, my side hustle is from eBay or Mercari, and that gets paid out every Tuesday for me for eBay, and then Mercari gets paid out at the end of the month. So for this month, it would have been a little bit higher have I deposited my Mercari or transferred my Mercari money to my bank, but this is strictly just eBay. And for 2 weeks, it was $42 is how much we have sold off of eBay, and that is the profit that we made. I budgeted $50. It was kind of a little bit more of a high end. I usually don't make that much depending on what's sold really. All right, so moving on, and we're going to go ahead and actually add all this together. So we have a total of $2,121. Now moving on to the house. Now the house is going to be getting paid $109. Car will have the budget is $400, and we are going to be putting $400 in there. Insurance will be $38. Disney, the budget is going to be $100. I did check. It's $202 for the month of February. So I decided to put $100. So that is the actual budget. Capital One is $100. I always pay over the amount because I'm trying to pay this one off. The light bill, we are going to be putting $40 towards that. And then phone is $50. So this is pretty much accurate every single week with my budget. It's always accurate with the actual amount. So that is going to be $837. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to our cash envelopes. Now my cash envelopes, this is my everyday for 2 weeks. So that is groceries, fun money, gas, and then also Cushion, which Cushion is my debit card. Cushion always gets $300 and then whatever else I have left over. So I usually have probably about $500 left in the bank, and that is just anything like if I want to buy something from Amazon. Usually I'll use my debit card for gas, and then I take the cash out of my gas envelope to put it towards the money challenges. So that's just how I do it day to day. I can go a little bit deeper into detail about it if y'all would like. But anyway, so groceries is going to be getting $100, and it is going to be all 20s this time. So 20, 40, 60, 81. It usually has been 250s, but this week it's just going to be 20s. Now gas, I do have some gas money left over, which I have $40. I usually stuff $140, and I have been having more and more leftover or rollover money, and this is actually going to be going towards the money challenges for next Tuesday. With gas prices going up, I don't imagine myself having another $40 left over from gas. So we will have to just play it by ear with that. And we are going to be doing $140 on this: 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. So that's $124 for gas for 2 weeks. And then fun money. So fun money is anything from coffee, a good book. This season, yard sale season is coming upon us. So we are going to be in full swing with that. And I usually just bring $100 for yard sale. I don't spend $100 in one day at yard sales. I try not to, but I always have that fun money just in case. I know I should have a separate account for like yard sales and have my own set of money, but it's fun as well. So that's why I take it out of fun money. So leftover for fun is 5, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And $13 is going to be going towards our money challenge. So the $100 for fun money, it did get broken down. So we have 2 20s. We have 3 10s on this one. Now this is just so we can have smaller bills for yard sales. 4 5s and 10 1s. So this should be $100, and we will check it. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now, I'm not going to be going to yard sales this weekend. I do have a spa that I'm going to be going to, and I also have dinner. So I'm going to go and get a facial with my girls, and also we're going to go to the casino, and hopefully I can win some money, and then we are going to go eat dinner. So that fun money might actually be gone by next week. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to my favorite part of the video, and that is sinking funds. So sinking funds to me is something that commonly occurs in my life that I need for sure to save money for. So that is medical, car maintenance. So anything with co-pays, medicine, car maintenance is like anything with oil change. I do need to start a separate one for tires because my tires is going to be out of control. Vacation is just, vacation. Dobby is my dog. But Christmas, because Christmas comes every year, you can't pass it. It comes every year. Special occasion is anything from birthdays, weddings, engagements, anything like that. Home is literally home renovations, like buying a picture frame or anything like that. Beauty is literally shampoo, conditioner, makeup, anything like that I need. Haircut can be included in that. And then renewals is anything with my tag, my license, my certificate for work, HOA fees, anything like that. So that is just a very small detailed summary of what my sinking funds mean to me and what I use it for different ones. All right, so going ahead with medical, we are going to be saving $330 total for sinking funds. So right now, medical will be getting $40. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. Vacation will be getting $160. Dobby is going to be getting $70. Christmas is getting $10. Special occasion is getting $10. Home will be getting $0. Beauty is $0. And renewals will be getting $10. And then eBay all the way down here, we are going to be stuffing our side hustle, and that is $42. I do have a little side hustle envelope that I will show you. All right, so go ahead and we are going to be adding all of this together. 40, 30, 160, 70, 10, 10, and 10. So $330, and that is correct. All right, so let's go ahead and I think we're going to go ahead and do our side hustle real quick. So our side hustle is going to be $42, and that is 20, 40, 41, and 42. So $42 for that. And this is going to be featured at the end of the month when I do my YouTube, eBay, Mercari paycheck that I do the last Saturday of every month. All right, so first off, we are going to be doing medical. Medical is getting $40, like I said, 20, 40. Trying to bump this up as much as possible. And then once I reach $500, it will go towards in the bank. So 50. Nope, this is going to be hard, you guys. So let's put this aside. 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is 200. 50, 51, 52. So $252. $252. I kind of messed that one up. Moving on to our car maintenance. Now, car maintenance right now has $620. So we have $500 in the bank, and then we are going to be putting $30. So we have 500, 600, 20, 40, and 50. So we have 650. And once we reach another 500, that will go towards the bank as well. Vacation says it has $0, and we are going to be stuffing $160. Now, this will get empty because every single money challenge, which is every single Tuesday, I update my Disney fund because our Disney fund is what we are saving for. And I'm also saving a Mother's Day one to do a mama and daughter one for me and my mom in May. Dobby, so you're going to have to check that out on Tuesdays whenever I post that at 5 p.m. CST. Dobby is going to be getting $70. He has a groomer's appointment next Monday, so we need to do that. So 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. $83. I am going to be short a little bit, so I'll probably just use my debit card on that. So 83. Christmas, just like my vacation, Christmas will also get empty because I am doing a Christmas savings challenge on that. So that this will be empty on Tuesday as well. And that is getting $10. Special occasion is getting $10 as well. And what I am saving up for right now is for my friend's wedding that is going to be happening in December. I need a new dress, probably some new makeup, shoes, anything like that. 20, 30, 35, 36, and 37. So $37. And it's actually a local wedding, so we do not have to get a hotel or anything, which will be great. Home, we're not putting anything in here, but we're still going to count it, of course. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, and 46. So $46. And we're just trying to make sure that that is correct. Usually it is, and then if it's not, then I'm just going to have to figure out where it goes. Beauty is getting $40. Not $40, we're counting it. 20, 30, 35, and 40. So that is $40. Moving on to renewals, and I am going to be making a payment for the HOA because it is due. So that is going to be 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So $170. And also, my driver's license expires next week, or in 2 weeks on the 12th. So that's great too. So this renewal envelope will be wiped out, and Dobby is right behind me, probably about to bark because he hears something outside, maybe like a car or something. But anyways, so that is it, you guys. We are going to add all of this together real quick. So 252 plus 650, Dobby 160 plus 83 plus 10 plus 37 plus 46 plus 40 plus 170 equals to $1,448. So that is it, you guys. That is another 2 weeks of how much I got paid, how much we are stuffing in our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. I hope y'all have a great rest of the weekend. I am definitely going to be relaxing, and also I have jury duty. Have I mentioned that? I have jury duty on Monday. I have to call on Sunday to see if I actually have to go, but I am summoned, so we'll figure that out. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on probably Sunday. I might do something different, a different video. And if not, I will see you guys on Tuesday for another money challenge. Bye, guys.